At first glance, they look like ordinary buses. But then one passes by, covered in giant murals, flashing with neon lights, playing music loud enough to turn heads. And suddenly you realize these are not just buses.
They are moving works of art. Across Kenya, these colorful vehicles are known as matatus.
And they have transformed everyday transportation into one of Africa's most unique street cultures. But why would anyone turn a simple commuter bus into a rolling masterpiece? Every day, millions of people across Kenya rely on matatu to move through cities and neighborhoods. They are the heartbeat of urban transportation. But what makes them different from buses anywhere else in the world is what happens before they ever hit the road. Owners don't just buy a vehicle, they create an identity. A matatu can become a tribute to a famous musician, a celebration of African culture, a tribute to sports legends, or a giant piece of graffiti-inspired artwork. No two matatu are exactly the same. And behind every design is a story. The outside of a matatu is like a moving canvas. Some feature famous movie characters. Others display superheroes, celebrities, animals, or powerful messages. Bright colors compete for attention as these vehicles move through the streets of Nairobi. But the creativity does not stop outside. Step inside and the experience changes completely. Some matatu feature custom lighting, powerful sound systems, and unique interiors that feel more like a nightclub than a bus. For many passengers, the journey is not just about reaching a destination, it is about the experience along the way.
Matatus are also connected to Kenya's music culture.
The sound systems inside these vehicles helped spread new music throughout cities and neighborhoods. A song played inside a popular matatu could reach thousands of listeners every day. For many young Kenyans, these vehicles became more than transportation. They became a moving expression of youth culture, a place where art, music, fashion, and transportation all came together. But behind the bright colors is another side of the story. Behind the creativity is a complicated reality. Matatu have sometimes faced criticism over safety concerns, traffic problems, and competition between operators. Because these vehicles are so important to daily life, finding the balance between creativity and safety has become an ongoing challenge. Over the years, regulations have changed as authorities have tried to improve public transportation, while keeping the unique culture that makes matatu special. Because removing the personality from these vehicles would mean losing something much bigger, a piece of Kenyan street identity. For visitors, a Kenyan matatu might look unusual, maybe even surprising. But for millions of Kenyans, these vehicles represent something familiar. They represent creativity in everyday life. They show that art does not only belong in museums. Sometimes it moves through the streets. Sometimes it carries people to work. Sometimes it becomes part of the rhythm of an entire city. In many places around the world, transportation is designed to disappear into the background. But in Kenya, the journey itself becomes the artwork. These colorful buses are more than machines. They are a reflection of the people who created them. A reminder that creativity can appear anywhere, even on the busiest streets of Nairobi. Would you ride inside one of Kenya's most famous matatu? Let me know in the comments. Where the journey never ends. Last Compass Journey.